Hi there, just a quick video to help you with your virtual locker and to remind you that today the locker is due, your image in your learning space is due, your lava caricature sheet is due. Make sure you have all of the things, your name, your Bartle score, the cobweb chandelier thing, the images ranked. You can type your goals over here about, from the room map. Also, I'll be checking Edpuzzle and Padlet and the email. So make sure you get all of that done. All of your directions are in Class is Lava. So if you click here, if it ever loads, it says Class is Lava. That will take you to the presentation. And that's where you get all of your directions. It doesn't want to load. Oh, there it is. So if you click here, it takes you to all of the directions. All right, back to the virtual locker. The first thing you want to do is double click here where it says Design Your Virtual Locker, and it's going to ask you to download the PowerPoint, which I've already done here to save us time. Now let's look at our directions. It asks you to include at least 10 things that tell about who you are, and here are things you can include. So you don't have to add your Bitmoji if you have that ability. If you already have your Bitmoji linked to your computer, you can, but it's not necessary. Pictures of family and friends and pets, you would get those from your, I have mine on my desktop, so wherever you store them. But let's look at some of these items. Your favorite books. So I'm going to come over and I'm just going to Google. Book of Pi is kind of mathy. Is it? I don't know. I actually never read it. Once you've done your search, you want to go to images. Now, find an image that you like. I like this one. You're going to right click and select copy image. Go to your virtual locker, right click and select paste. And now it's in there. I'm going to click off because I only want the book to be highlighted. And now I can take the corner and size it and then drag it to my locker. Life of Pi. What about our favorite school? Or what does it say? Where do you want to go to college, I think? So I went to the University of Maryland, so I'm going to put University of Maryland. I'm going to do the logo. If you use a transparent, you're going to have better odds of getting something that doesn't have the background attached to it, but no promises. So you're going to copy the image again using your right click. Go to your PowerPoint, right click, paste. I'm going to click off and then click back on so I can size it. Put that in my locker. I like that at the top. Okay, you kind of get the idea. You have to search for your image, right click copy, go to your locker, right click paste. When you're done, you can highlight this and then delete and then give me a summary. My favorite book is, I love the University of Maryland. My favorite is pizza, etc. So you can explain the icons or the images that you chose over here where it says, underneath designing your own locker. Okay, put that back. I hope that answers any questions you might have. When you're done, an easy way to share this is to use the snipping tool. If you don't have the snipping tool, you can add it by searching it at the bottom left of your computer if you have Windows 10. Just put in snipping tool and add it, and here's how it works. I'm going to click new. I'm going to left click and then drag around the locker or whatever image it is that you want to copy. When you release it, it has copied the image. I go to File and Save As, and then you can save it anywhere. I usually save things like this to my desktop just so they're easy to find and save. Now go back to your OneNote, to your class notebook. I'm going to go to Insert. Oops. I'm going to go to Insert Picture from the file. Choose File. Remember, I saved it as Locker. Make sure I'm in my desktop. Yes, there's Locker. And then click Insert, and there it is. Any second now, it will upload. And now I can see it. And this is how I'll grade it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I'll be checking my email today. Have a great Wednesday.